Hi, welcome to the first video in the course on public speaking by me, Coach Harsh. How do you approach public speaking? What are some of the things that can be done on a daily basis to improve in public speaking? Now, if you're a first timer, then you would have probably found yourself in situations at office, school, with family, in a group when you're suddenly asked to speak up and nothing comes out of your mouth. Just a second ago, you could have been the Shakespearean ninja speaking dime a dozen, but suddenly, when put in a spot, we clam up. Over the course of this video series, I will help you gather skills along the way that will help you face such situations and be ever ready to speak up. So, what must we know in order to approach such situations? Is there something we can do about it as a daily practice? Well, I believe speaking with confidence largely depends on two main factors: what you say and how you say it. What you say is the content. It implies knowledge, information, data analysis, understanding, perspective, expertise, exposure, and experience. How do you say what you say is the intent or the way you deliver your content. This depends on your style of speaking, volume, voice modulation, pace, pitch, intonation, eye contact with your audience, facial gestures, body movements, choice of words, etc. Well, all speaking is public speaking, be it with one person or with 1,000. But the true magic and the art of public speaking lies in making them feel like they are the only one with whom you're conversing. So now comes the question, what are the ways to improve the content and intent? Here's what we can do to build content. We can increase our knowledge by reading regularly. Read good and well-edited information from trusted sources. You must ensure the quality of reading material is amazing. My personal favorite for the novice or the beginners is the Reader's Digest. It's a monthly magazine. I would even recommend reading up a variety of highly upvoted answers on this website called Quora.com. Trust me, it's a very, very different world from that of Facebook, Instagram, and Snapchat. Second is watch. If you're more of a visual person, then probably you would like watching TED Talks, BBC News, motivational speeches, informational speeches, the best of the comedians, and more. Similarly, you can listen to a lot of highly acclaimed podcasts, interviews, music that you like, some music that you have probably never heard before. All of this, after reading, watching, and listening, the next step is to understand. And you can test your understanding when you try to explain the same things that you've read, seen, or heard to someone else, be it your family, friend, or colleague. If possible, seek feedback whether they truly understood what you told them. If they're able to explain what you told them in a short 1 to 2 lines, then great job, you've won half the battle. If not, then you need to change something in the way you're sharing the information. Coming to speaking about how to say things. Now, in a general sense, I would advise to keep a frame of mind as if you're talking decently to your friends, as you would speak normally. Now, I don't mean the slang version of talks, yo dude, what's up? More like the proper conversations that we have with our group of friends when we discuss ideas or that next trip that we want to plan. Use simple language, keep your sentences and descriptions short to the point. And when you are making a specific point, look at that one particular person as you say it. Many a times I have observed that when people go on stage or they're in that spotlight, it's like they become a completely different person altogether. And I believe that it shouldn't be so. It's not theatrics or not a skit or not a play that we are doing there. It's not public speaking. In those situations, we are given a character to be. right? However, in a normal situation when you're conversing, it's just you who's speaking. And one must be the same person on stage as well as off stage. This helps retain credibility of a speaker. In the next video, let's know what are some of the things you can consider talking about and how to address anxiety and the nervousness that we feel just with the thought of public speaking. See you there.